In today's video, I have created a plum eyeshadow look which is great for any Indian or Western outfit. You can pair it with any lipstick of your choice. I have used a rosy plum shade of lipstick. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching for the first time, hi, I'm Rohita Singh. Before starting my makeup, let's tie our hair in a ponytail. For prepping my skin, I am using the Mamaearth Anti-Pollution Face Cream. I will let this sit on my face for 5 minutes. Here I am using the Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. You should always apply a primer before doing your makeup and after moisturizer because it helps in creating an even canvas for makeup to be applied seamlessly and blended effortlessly. So always do apply a primer before doing your makeup. For under eye dark circles, I am using an orange corrector from LA Girl. Always use a damp makeup sponge for blending out your makeup. It should not be very soakingly wet and it should not be very dry and harsh on your face. It should be a little damp. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. For foundation, I am using the Forever 52 foundation in the shade Honey. I am taking here 3 pumps as I want a medium coverage. I am rubbing it to warm it up before applying the foundation. As I have already concealed my eye area, for applying the foundation, I will use from outwards to inwards and blend it with the same damp makeup sponge. For setting or baking my face, I am using the Sugar Banana Powder. Here I am using a round brush for this. I am baking under my eyes so that no fallouts are there and I can easily clean up the mess. For the plum eyeshadow look, here I am using the color Star Anise from Makeup Revolution I Heart Cinnamon Palette. For blending your eyeshadow, use a round brush. I am deepening the crease line with the shade Cardamom from the same palette. For transition color, I am using a light brown shade from the same palette and blend it just above my crease line. For lid space, I am using a reddish plum shade, Chili Pepper from the same palette. The brush, I will be applying eyeshadow on my lower lash line. I will be using the same plum shade which I have taken for my crease line. For contouring, I am using a flat shader brush and I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm here using it for highlighting. Using a damp makeup sponge, I am blending it out. For contouring my cheekbones, I am using the same bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. For giving a fresh look, I am using blush from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Coral Climax. Moisturize the lips with any lip balm. For the eyelashes, I am using the Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. For the lip color, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rage Rage. For setting my makeup, I will be using the Sugar Grand Mist. So, here's the complete look. If you love this look, please subscribe to my channel below, hit the like button and also hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Love you all.